In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vertical scroll group in Adobe XD. This is a handy technique when you're designing interfaces that need to accommodate long lists, feeds, or panels that exceed the typical screen space. So, let's dive in. Firstly, you'll want to arrange your content on the artboard. This could be a collection of cards, a feed, or whatever elements you intend to allow scrolling for. The key here is that your content needs to be longer than the visible space you have set. Essentially, you want to create an overflow, so scrolling is needed to see the entire content. This is foundational as it ensures when we enable scrolling, the scroll is meaningful and reflects navigation through excess content. Once you have your content set up, the next step is to select the content or the group that contains the items you want to include in the scroll group. You can do this by grouping items together or using a rectangle container that houses all the elements. This creates a clear boundary around what is to be scrolled. Moving on, with your content selected, head over to Design Mode. This is where you style and interact with your elements. Look for the Properties section, often found on the right panel, where you can customize various settings. Here, you'll want to locate the scroll group icon. According to Adobe's documentation, you need to select the vertical scroll option to specify that the scroll is confined to an up and down movement. For those who prefer using shortcuts, on a Mac, you can achieve this by hitting Command, Shift, and V. If you're on a Windows machine, use Control, Shift, and V. This is a faster way to enable vertical scrolling without hunting through the menu. After enabling the vertical scroll, you'll notice blue handles appear at the top and bottom of your selected group's bounding box. These handles allow you to define the viewport, which essentially is the window through which your audience will view the scrolling content. Drag these handles to set the visible portion of your scroll area. It's crucial here to make sure the content within your group exceeds this viewport height, otherwise there won't be any scrolling action. Finally, it's time to preview your work. In Adobe XD, click on the desktop preview, often represented by a play icon. This feature enables you to see your prototype in action. Now, within that area, use your mouse scroll wheel, trackpad, or simply click and drag to scroll up and down. Double-check that your content scrolls vertically as intended, while the rest of your artboard should stay static and unchanged. And there you have it, a straightforward way to implement vertical scrolling in your Adobe XD projects. This technique enhances user experience by keeping your interface clean and easy to navigate, even when dealing with more content than can be seen at once. Happy designing!